Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to do this video for you because this is the update video to my previous video about how collagen peptides has changed my life. So if you haven't seen that video, leave this video, go check that video out, and then come back so I can give you an update. First things first, let's talk about my hair. So my hair is getting thicker, it's getting longer, it's shinier. The strength of my hair is strong. Considering that collagen peptides is a form of protein, my hair is just thriving. Like, I can't even explain to you how much my hair is thriving. And I know it has a lot to do with the intake of this collagen peptides. So I did add one thing to my regimen. In my last video, there were a lot of people commenting, giving me some insight, giving me more knowledge than I already had, and I really appreciate it. A lot of you said start taking vitamin C, and I did do my research and I did see that vitamin C was a big factor of it, considering that vitamin C is pretty much a building block for the collagen, so you can build more collagen. So vitamin C is vital to your hair and to your skin care. So I'm going to go to GNC and get the powder form of the vitamin C so I can just pretty much add that to my tea also, along with the collagen peptides. So I am going to insert a before and after picture from 45 days ago to today of my hair. Let you know that it's getting thicker, it's growing outward, even though it is growing longer, but I see more of a difference in it going outward. I guess my hair swells and then it's gonna drop. Alright, next let's talk about my skin. My skin, 2 thumbs up. So excited about my skin. It's still thriving, still plump, still moisturized. The fine lines under my eyes, on my forehead, they're starting to just fade away, and I'm so excited about that. Super excited about that because it allows my makeup to go on better. I don't have a whole lot of textured skin, and I'm telling you, my pores, let me see if I can do a close-up, but my pores are pretty much sealed. Well, almost sealed. I'm going to keep taking this collagen peptides and see what it does for my skin. Also, I am reaping so many benefits from this. I feel like my skin is continuously getting brighter. I don't feel like I'm looking like younger. Like, I don't think I look like I'm 16, 17, 18 years old, but I will say that my skin looks healthier. There it is. My skin looks healthy, bright, plump, moisturized, and I am going to credit it to the collagen peptides. Also, what I did add something else to my regimen when it comes to my face cleaning. With my skincare routine, I've added vitamin C, well actually a natural vitamin C serum to my face also, because again, vitamin C aids in those building blocks for collagen. So I'm going to continuously add to it, going to continuously do what's best for me, what's best for my skin, what's best for my hair. My acid reflux issues are still at bay, which I am so happy about that. That's probably next to my hair. That's probably like the next best thing that I love about this collagen peptide is that it is doing wonders for my stomach. Like, my gut health is 2 thumbs up. So yeah, these collagen peptides is working for me. Again, my hair getting thicker, longer. My skin continuously being plump, bright, moisturized. My joints are lubricated, and I'm able to move with ease. My muscles are like pretty much healing faster after my workouts. which I love because it allows me to work out a little bit harder to get better results in my exercise routine. So all in all, I love the collagen peptide. So I don't see myself probably ever, as long as they're making it, stop taking this particular product. Show you again, collagen peptide. This is the one that I take. And I am about to order another container probably in about 10 days. I'll come back every once in a while just to let you guys know how it's going with this and keep you updated. You can also follow me on social media on SimplyDivineCurls, Instagram SimplyDivineCurls, and I'll do some updates there, you know, take pictures so you guys can see that this collagen peptide is working. I'm also going to be doing videos showing you how to retain the length that you get with the collagen peptides. So, you know, all this work that you're doing, taking these collagen peptides, you don't want to see it go to waste. So I'm going to show you how to retain that length. Okay? So thank you so much for tuning in. Stay just a little bit longer so you can see the length of my hair. This is, I didn't even check the length of it. The last time I checked, it grew about 1 inch, but that was about 2 weeks ago. So let's see where it is now. So stay tuned. All right. Let's do the measurements. Okay, let's start on this side. Take a nice big chunk. Normally you would do this on like lightly blow dried hair. But mine, I'm not blow drying my hair. I am not going to put any heat damage for anybody. So let's go ahead and measure. And you see the piece. Alright. 14 inches. So I know that you get about 1/2 inch a month. So I am ahead of the game about 1/2 inch. So I got 1 inch in about 35 days, 35, 40 days. Let's do this side. There. Keep going, keep going, keep going. This side is 14 and a half inches. Man, this side grew faster or longer. Okay, let's do the side. I'm just messing up my hairdo. But if you've been following me, you know that I'm going to put my hair up in a protective style after this video. Alright, so what we got here? Got 13 inches. And I think the last video it was 12 inches. So this is 13 inches now. So it looks like my hair is growing 1 inch a month. Okay? And I am retaining that length. And I'm happy about that. Alright, let's do this side. And all I do is press it all the way up to the scalp. And then I pull down, pull down, pull down, and right there. Again, 13 and a half. This side is growing longer. And it's cool. It's cool. I ain't tripping. Yeah, I just feel like I just need to do the sides and the back. And again, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel to check out my update. If you have any questions, comments, or whatever it is, leave it below in the comment section because I know you guys are, and I will reach back out to you. And thank you again for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, I also wanted to thank all of my new subscribers. Like, I gained a lot of subscribers in the last month, and I want to say welcome. Thank you, and I hope to see you back soon. I have a lot of great things coming on this channel. I have a lot of great things on this channel right now. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to say, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Yes, 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 girl. Yes.